So there's a new app that is going viral called The Tea, and there is number one on the App Store, on the entire App Store. And this app is only women's only app where you can upload photo and informations and screenshots of men that you might be dating. Maybe you just swiped on, their dating profile. Maybe you have just met him. You can post photos and screenshots of his dating profile in order to get the tea on him from other women. And people are now complaining, जो उनका बनता भी है, like why this app was made at the first place. All men on social media are saying ये ऐप नहीं बनानी चाहिए थी. मैं इस ऐप के खिलाफ हूँ. इस ऐप को men के खिलाफ इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. It's a propaganda against men. They are of course mad because according to them it's just a complaining machine where even exaggerations could be put about them online with no consent, with no idea कि एक दूसरी woman किसी भी man के बारे में क्या कह रही है, क्या कह दे. Like they can lie, because किसी भी relationship में there's always two point of views. So on this app there's only a point of view of a woman and there's no point of view of a man because this app can only be operated by women and women only. So the men have no choice to defend themselves. ये अपना point of view बता सके. No, nothing. Why? Because वो ऐप में allowed नहीं है. Okay, so it's not right even from my own perspective. ये तो ऐसे ही हो गया कि कोई भी पुलिस स्टेशन में अपनी झूठी कंप्लेन लेकर चला जाए, झूठे एविडेंस एंड विटनेस बनाकर किसी भी शख्स को सजा दे दे. Like this is like this because on this app there are even no evidences, just other women perspectives. Like if one woman says फलां बंदे ने मुझे चीट किया, इसका फलां नेम है, do you have any info on him? और अगर कोई इन्फो किसी के पास है भी तो वो बताएगी, सारी डिटेल्स बताएगी. और अगर नहीं भी है तो ये ऐप किसी भी ग्रज के लिए इस्तेमाल की जा सकती है. लाइक यू नेवर नो कि कब कोई किसी चीज़ का बदला ले ले बाय पुटिंग फेक थिंग्स ऑनलाइन, फेक एलिगेशंस. So this app cannot even defend men because it is made to protect women and it is made for their safety. But मुझे कोई women protection नज़र नहीं आ रही. Okay, sorry, but मुझे कोई नज़र नहीं आ रही. Like women could use this app and maybe वो कर रही हो to solve their own grudges against men. एंड जो पूरी ज़िंदगी इंसान अपना रेपुटेशन लेकर चलता है, अपना एक इमेज बनाया होता है, उसने वो इमेज ख़राब कर सकती है ये टी ऐप. The man who made this app, like his mom got divorced and she was messaging all of these guys and so he wanted to create this app as a way to protect his mother. But in how this app actually operates and what women use it for, like I just told you, it's not actually about protecting women. It has become a place where women can just complain and pile on about innocent men who have no idea that this is actually happening. Like certain men को कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है, उनके बारे में क्या कंप्लेन की जा रही है इस ऐप में. लाइक वो आराम से घर पे बैठे होंगे, टीवी देख रहे होंगे, कॉफ़ी पी रहे होंगे एंड दे डोंट इवन नो कि उनकी कंप्लेन्स ऑनलाइन की जा रही है ऑन दिस ऐप. एंड लाइक वो जैसे किसी अदालत में खड़े हों. सो इट्स एन इश्यू ऑफ मैन सेफ्टी टू. प्रोटेक्शन सिर्फ वुमेन की नहीं होती और ना ही होनी चाहिए. लाइक कम ऑन, लाइफ मर्दों की भी होती है, इज्जत उनकी भी होती है. एंड यू जस्ट कैन ब्लेम देम ब्लाइंडली. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू शुड ट्रस्ट देम ब्लाइंडली, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू एश्योर योर सेफ्टी, ऑफ कोर्स, बट अपने बैड एक्सपीरियंस का ब्लेम किसी पर भी लगाना, इट्स नॉट राइट. And this is not the first time that is actually happening because this app called The Tea is a nationwide version of Facebook group called Are We Dating the Same Guy? Okay, so there are different versions of this Tea app of different cities. And in Pakistan, this app primarily refers to a viral women-only online dating safety app gaining popularity on TikTok, where women are just gossiping about men and spill the tea. And this app is popular among Gen Z users, which is no shock. Of course. So many men are saying that the issue is that women especially, won't see this as an issue until the male version of this app is created. And a user on Reddit, FunButterfly420, says that I guarantee you if a male version existed, it had been headline news and deleted immediately. जो बिल्कुल सही है. There would be a men app. हर जगह women की rally निकली होती. It's right. Okay, so on Facebook groups, they asked if they had suspicions about somebody like that they were dating or married to. But like this app, it is turned into a place of speculation and insults and even the harassment of men. Like now women will just post a photo of a guy. Hey, do you have any information about him? And it will be hundreds of comments. Oh, I don't know, but he looks like a douche. Oh, he's so awful. People think of crack as being dirty. Oh yeah, people that these men do not even know. I mean, it is absolutely ridiculous. I'm angry too. Even on Facebook groups back in 2023, they highlighted one of these victims and they said in the world of dating discourse, definitions of a red flag can differ dramatically. Andre, whose name like all the daters in this piece has been changed to protect his privacy. Andre is a 27-year-old from London who uses Tinder and Bumble. travel. He was alerted to post about in the city's group by 3 different friends. His date said that he was too pushy. Like आजकल की women ये pressure भी accept नहीं करती कि like they has to get married. Like उनको अपना career देखना होता है, career wise उन्हें आगे बढ़ना होता है. Like I am just talking about specific women who does think like that. And there are a lot of women like this in the entire world. So मैं किसी specific country या किसी specific city की बात नहीं कर रही. I'm just talking about the whole world. The whole world. Okay, so he claims that she came back to his place acting weird and then left. Quote, I knew I was in that group because I heard it from multiple sources. Obviously, her side doesn't match up with my side. We had a miscommunication. And then I am hearing from these girls I grew up with. Wow, it's just a whole new facade that this tea app is going to spread too. And various people downloaded this to, check out what's going on, and they verify if you're a woman via selfie. Someone said, I tried to screenshot this and it blocks the screenshot with a black screen. Of course it did. And while many women are having fun with this app, they have these thoughts like some women said, I recently discovered tea and it's the best thing that has happened since internet dating. It's like having a trusted friend who has all the juicy details. Like what? What in the world? While there are so many men जो बहुत सारे इल्ज़ामात का शिकार हो रहे हैं और होंगे in future, I can even say here. But उनको online insult किया जा रहा है, which is in my opinion is not a very good thing to do. इस तरह जो पूरी दुनिया के मर्द हैं mentally unstable हो जाएंगे, जो कि पहले ही बहुत सारे हैं. Depression पहले ही हमारी दुनिया में है और आपने सुना ही होगा दुनिया गोल है, दुनिया छोटी सी है. Everyone knows everyone these days, just like Andre's situation. Any girl from anywhere would know about these things जो ऐप पर डिस्कस की जा रही होंगी. एंड हर मैन का रिलेशनशिप, उनकी मैरिज लाइफ इज इन डेंजर. Oh my god, I can't say further. It's just so much disaster that this app is offering. Disaster. Anyways, if you have any opinions about it, please share it on the comments below. And if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel before going. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.